cooperative societies. Okay, so what Deshwar Avatarini, good morning. Yes, a small session about cooperative societies, then we can pass on to countries. Okay, so we have seen and we have heard about cooperative bank, cooperative society. Okay, so what is no Raghav? Today we can see about cooperative society and about few nations. Then next class we can see about sea creatures. Okay. Yes. So what are these cooperative societies? We have come across cooperative bank, cooperative societies. Okay, how it is formed? Why we give a separate name? We are not calling them as just bank. We are calling them as cooperative bank. So what is this cooperative? Okay, what is this cooperative society? That is, can you hear me, children?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, yes. So what is this cooperative society? It is a group of people. A group of people, they join together and form a society, and form a particular organization. Okay, when a few people join together for a common purpose. Okay, now I am interested in starting a bakery. Okay, so I have interest in starting a bakery. So what I do, I come across a few people who have similar interest. Okay, I come across some 10 to 15 people. All are interested in starting a bakery, but everyone doesn't have proper finance. Okay, so to start a bakery, a very good thing, no? I need some 10 lakh rupees, but I'm not having it. I have only 1 lakh, but my purpose is to start a bakery. Yes, Naveen, you can go for loan, but not in the beginning itself. Okay, so I come across from 10 to 15 people who also want to start a bakery, but they don't have money like me. They also have only a minimum amount. So what we do, we all sit together and we form one organization. We form one a company. Okay, we form one common bakery. So what we do, we all share the amount. Okay, if we need 10 lakhs, each member will share the amount. I bring 1 lakh rupees. Okay, so member A brings 1 lakh. Member B brings 1 lakh. So some 10 members, 15 members, all put. Yes, sure, Raghav. You have to ask the permission. Yes. So we all put the money together. We all cooperate. Okay, so we all have a common welfare. We all have a common purpose. See, if I want to start a bakery, another person want to start a hotel. Okay, another person want to start a mechanic shop. We cannot come together because our purpose is different. Okay, only if we have a common purpose, we all can come together. We share our amount. Okay, so we share our amount and we decide to start a firm, a company. So what we have to do first, we all prepare a document and register in the government. It is very important. Without registering in the government, you cannot start any cooperative society. Okay, so there is an act, there is a law, Cooperative Act 1912. Okay, so you have to register in the government. The government should give you the permission. Okay, they will give you a set of rules to be followed. Okay, you have to abide by the rules. You have to follow the rules. Clear? They will give certain things. You have to, the bakery should be of this dimension. The bakery should contain very hygienic machines, equipments. They say a few things. You have to follow that. Clear? So what is corporate society? A few people all share their money for a common purpose. Clear? Each should share. They will write the share amount also. See, what is a share? 15 lakhs. So, which member have shared what percentage? If one has shared 20 percentage, one has shared only 5 percentage. Like that. Okay. So, at the end of each month, at the end of each year, they will write that also when they should take the profit. If it, at the month of at the end of each month means at the end of each month they will sit and calculate the expenses what have they have met. Okay, then they will find out the profit. Okay, then they will share the profit among themselves. Okay, they'll share the profit among themselves. It is a cooperative society. Once you have registered in the government, no, you have to show some improvement in your sale. That the government should get some, should have faith in you. Okay, they are running the business very smartly. Okay, the business is giving a lot of profit. Okay. No, I didn't know who asked that question. See, only if you share the amount, you will get the profit. Okay, if you're not sharing the amount, if you're only going to work there, you get the salary alone, not the profit. Got it? See, if in the bakery, we need some 10 people to work. Okay, all the shareholders need not be the workers. Okay, I share the money, but I cannot work in the bakery. Okay, so I share the money. All members share the money, but all cannot work in the bakery. Okay, see, we appoint a manager, we appoint a few people to work in the bakery. We give salary to them. Okay, if I share the money and I want to work also in the bakery, what I do? I take the profit and I take the salary also. Clear? If you work, you can take the salary. If you give the share, you can take the profit. Both are different. Clear? So without sharing the money, you cannot take the profit. Got it, children? Okay, so this is a cooperative society. The first society was formed, okay, for milk products only. It was formed for the milk product. It's called Amul. Okay, so now we enjoy a lot of Amul products, no? Amul ice cream, Amul cheese, Amul butter, Amul. We enjoy so many products from Amul. Amul milk powder. Yes, it is not a government organization. Okay, it is a private cooperative organization. Yes, it is very good. They maintain the standard. Yes, Avin is a government organization. Nihal. Avin is a government organization. Can you hear me now? Can you hear me? Okay. So the first cooperative organization for milk was Amul. Okay. So the farmers know they were unhappy with the traders. Okay. So usually, the farmers will rear cows and buffaloes also. Even now we have that in villages. No, they will bring. They will have cows and buffaloes. No, Arun. Yes, Arun ice cream is organization of Arokya, I think. Arokya. Okay. So now we are talking only about. Okay. But talking about Amul. Yeah. So the farmers now who were having a lot of cows and buffaloes now, they didn't get proper money for their milk. Okay, the traders know they got the milk from the farmers and they were cheating them. They didn't give money properly. Okay, they were giving very meager amount of money. It was not enough for the farmers to feed the cow, to maintain the cow. Okay, it was not sufficient. So those farmers, no, they were very unhappy with the traders. So they thought that why can't we begin an organization for ourselves? Why to go and depend on traders? Okay, so we can have an organization ourselves. We can directly, yes, yes, they did strike. Very good. Yes, Raghav. Yes, they did strike for that. Okay, so what they did under Vallabhai Patel. Okay, I think he, Vallabhai Patel. He is a freedom fighter. Okay, he's a national leader. We call them as Iron Man of India, Sardar Vallabhai Patel. Okay, so what he did, he only showed a proper way. Yes, Iron Man of India. Yes, he showed a proper. He said the farmers to start a milk society. Okay, so they can get the milk from all the. Oh, very good, very good. Very good, Pritika. Very good information. Okay, so he asked the farmers to collect the milk from all the farmers and sell it directly to the people. Okay, they had a society, so they sold it directly to the people. They don't depend on any merchants, any traders. Okay, so it was by the farmers. Okay, and for the people. They didn't have anybody in between the farmers and the people, the producers and the consumers. So who are the producers? The people who produce something, some product, they're called producers. And the buyers are called consumers. Okay, so directly from the producers, it went to the consumer. So Avin is a government organization, Naveen. It is under state government. Okay, so even people are selling their milk to Avin. Okay, they have separate societies also. Yes. Okay, but it is a government organization. It is under the government. Okay, so the Amul was first formed in a district in Gujarat called Anand. Okay, so Amul was started in Anand district of Gujarat. That's why the Amul A stands for Anand. Clear? Former Deputy Prime Minister of India. Very good. Avartana. Very good. Okay. So it was though it was Vallabhai Patel gave the proper solution. No, everything was put together by Tirubhuvan Das. Okay, a person called Tirubhuvan Das. He only was behind this society. Okay. So later on, a person called Dr. Verghese Kurian. Okay, Dr. Verghese Kurian, he is now even called as Milkman of India. He only designed everything. Okay, he designed everything. Okay, he was the head of that union. Okay, he was head of that Amul union. He designed everything. He took it on in a proper way. So he is called as the Milkman of India. Yes. That is Anand Milk Union Limited, I think Amul stands for. Okay, I'll find out correctly. I think it's so. Okay, so it is the first organization, cooperative organization for milk product. Okay, then secondly, few ladies. Okay, few ladies know they were very in a backward condition financially. Okay, they don't know what they were not learned. They were not educated. Okay, say they know only few. That is Anand Milk Union Limited. Yes. Okay, so those ladies know they all joined together and they form a puppet company. A puppet company. Okay, so they started a puppet company. It is also a cooperative society. Okay, so they started that company with a minimum amount of rupees 80. Okay, only 80 rupees. See how in 80 rupees now you cannot do anything. Even the automan is asking 100 rupees to go to a small place, isn't it? With a meager amount of rupees 80, they started that puppet society. Okay, a few women joined together, all work together. Okay, even now, as a Lichet Puppet. Okay, so all together they are working now. Even now the company is there. Okay, so still now they're maintaining the standard of that puppet. Okay, so now we can see lot of impurities. The standard is not maintained properly. Many chemicals have been added in all, even in biscuit, in Maggi, everything, in noodles, everything. They say some chemical has been added. It's not good for health. But now, still now, till now, they are maintaining the quality. Okay, the papad is maintaining their quality. They have divided among themselves into 3 groups. Okay. Yes, Raghav, you are correct. Yes, they are adding so much of chemicals to make the milk stand for many days. If it is banned, it will be very good, Pritika. Really, it has lot of chemicals which causes cancer. Okay. So that milk, that papad is still in market. They are maintaining the standard. They have divided into 2 groups among themselves. 2 groups will work to produce the papad, and 1 group is checking the standard quality of the papad. Okay. See, likewise, we need not be dependent on government for everything. Melamine, yes, it is a product from it is a petroleum product. Yes, Lichet papad only. Yes. See, this melamine is a petroleum product. See, think and see what happened when it goes into our stomach. Okay. Yes, children. Now we have seen about 2 cooperative society. One is for dairy product and one is for milk product. Sorry, one is for papad. Okay. So like this, children, if we are interested, if we know about it, even with a meager amount, no, if we join hands together, we can bring about a new firm, a new company. Okay, we need not depend on government for everything. We can have our own firm, okay, our own company, our own limited firm. Okay, we can earn a lot. We can save for the people when we maintain the standards and in all, in quality and even in the money also. Clear, children? So we have seen about the prime ministers of India in the first class. Then the second class we have seen about I think about post office, isn't it? Today we have seen about cooperative society. Okay. Yes, that was extra information asked by Raghav, Pritika. Okay, children. Yes. Now somebody have interested in to talk about countries now. Okay. Yes, I think Naveen. Okay. So we can start from our own country. What information you know about our country? What information you know about our country? Yes. So you can give the information what you know about our country. 7th largest country. Very good. It is the 7th largest country. In what? In what? It is very beautiful. Okay. 2nd highest in population. Very good. Very good. Okay. So somebody has given the answer 7th largest country in area. Okay. Very good. Devapur, it has many religions. Very good, Naveen. It has many monuments. Very good. Very good. Yes. Aryavarta is one of the name of our country. Okay. Who named it, Siddheshwar? Who named it? Very good, Alan. So we rely on unity in diversity. Very good. Unity in diversity. It is our motto, isn't it? So though we come across many religious people, people belong to many religions, many castes, many creed. Okay. They follow many cultures. They speak different languages. Yes, very good, novel. It is a country which follows, it is one of the oldest civilization. Very good, yes. Yes, very good, Alan. We follow democratic form of government. Very good, yes. Yes. So, can you say a few religion? commonly followed in India? Few religion commonly followed in India? Yes? Yes? Hinduism, Christianity, Islam. These three are the major religions followed. We have few more also. Yes, very good, Ravitaraj. Jainism. Yes, Jainism. Apart from Hinduism, Christianity. Very good. Sikhism, Jainism, Buddhism. Very good. Sikhism, Jainism, and Buddhism. Very good. Yes. We have 9 territories. Very good, Kavya. Can you name them, Kavya? Can you name them, Kavya? Okay, Daman and Dayu. Okay, Daman and Dayu. New Delhi is the capital of India. Okay. So New Delhi is also one of the union territory, no? Very good. Andaman, Nicobar, Daman and Diu, Goa, 5. Then Chandigarh, Dadra, Nagar Haveli. Yes, very good. Pondicherry. Pondicherry also. Okay, Pondicherry. Okay, very good. Yes. Yes, you are giving very valuable information, children. Very good, children. Yes. Very good, Raghav. India is a peninsula. India is a what is a peninsula, children? What is a peninsula? What is a peninsula? 7th largest desert in the world. Yes, very good. 3 sides surrounded by water and 1 side has the land. Very good. Yes. 3 sides surrounded by water and 1 side has the land. Very good. So you told me Andaman Nicobar Island, isn't it? So what is an island? What is an island? What is an island? Highest mountain range. Okay. Yes, very good, Devaguru. 4 sides surrounded by water. Very good. A place surrounded by water on all sides. Very good. Yes, somebody has given the highest mountain range. No. Children, can you say which is the highest mountain range? Do Mount Everest. Are you sure? Mount Everest is the highest mountain range. Are you sure? I think it's the second Mount second. Yes, they say K2. K2 is the highest mountain range of Himalaya and it is in Nepal. I have heard about that only. Mount Everest in India, it is Mount Everest. Okay, so the highest mountain range of Himalaya is K2, I have heard. That is in Nepal. Okay, let me clarify my doubt. Okay, let me clarify. Okay, Mount Everest in India, it is Mount Everest. Okay, that is highest peak, I think. Highest peak is K2, I think. Let me clarify. Okay. You can ask your social teacher also, children. Okay. So Devaguru is constantly giving about that monuments, about Taj Mahal. 29 states. So somebody told 27, somebody told 28. Okay, very good, Siddeshwar. Very good, Siddeshwar. I think Avatana has also given a very good information. Yes, very good. They are giving with the meters from the sea level. Very good. K2 is okay, okay, Pritika. Okay, Pritika. It is very good, very good. Okay. So Mount Everest is in Nepal and K2 is in India. Am I right? Am I right, Avartana? And okay, 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 okay. So Mount Everest is in Nepal and K2 is in India. Okay, okay. Okay. So let everybody know that. Yes, children. Okay, what about the number of states? Yes, very good, Alan. Sirapunji is. What is the importance of Sirapunji? So Sirapunji is a place where it rains all the year around, isn't it? It is in Assam. Sirapunji is in Assam. Yes, it rains throughout the year. Very good, very good. Okay. Yes, 29 states. Sure. 29 only Sanjana and Siddheshwar. Number of states 29 only. Okay. Can we see? Can we name it one after the other? Can we name it? So let everybody know that. Let everybody know that. Okay. Tamil Nadu. Yes, we can start from Tamil Nadu. First, we can complete the South India. Okay. Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh. Yes. Kerala. Karnataka. Yes, very good. Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, Kerala, Karnataka. 4 is over. Telangana, very good. 5 is over. Maharashtra, 6. Maharashtra, 6. Then Gujarat, 7. Rajasthan, 8. Punjab, 9. Madhya Pradesh, 10. Yes, 10. West Bengal, 11. UP, 12. Haryana, 13. Arunachal Pradesh, Assam, 14, 15, 16. Sikkim, 17. Sikkim, 17. Kashmir 18, Meghalaya 19, Chandigarh 20. But Chandigarh comes under, no, Goa doesn't come under states, no. Chandigarh and Goa doesn't come under states, isn't it? So 20 only have given. Remaining 9, Manipur, yes. Myanmar is not our country. Myanmar is a different country, no. Manipur, Tripura, Chhattisgarh, okay, Chhattisgarh. Ladakh is also not. So 23 only is given. Remaining 6. Dehradun, no children, it is not. Netherlands, Shivesh. Netherlands is in India. Jharkhand, very good. 24. Himachal Pradesh, 25. Bihar, 26. Yes, 26. 3 more. 3 more. Chennai, no Nihal. Chennai is the capital city, Nihal. 26. 26 only is over. What about 3 more? Which one we have left? Patna. Patna is the capital of Bihar, no? Orissa, very good. Yes, Odisha. Yes, 27. 2 more. Only 2 more. Manipur. Did you say Meghalaya? Did you say Meghalaya? Mizoram. Yes. Yes, children, I have given all. Very good, very good, very good. Very good, children. Very good, children. Yes, we can talk about our own country next class. And we can go to our neighboring countries. You go through, if you have any you collect information about our neighboring country, you can share next week. Yes, children? You collect some information about our neighboring countries, then we can share next week, then we'll go to other countries. Okay? We can see about the capitals also, Nitesh, next week. Yes? I hope you had a very good session today, very interesting also. Okay? Next week also we can have still more interesting facts about our country and our neighboring countries also. We can share the capital cities also, children. Okay, fine. Thank you, children.